Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance
Hello,
update.
hello, hello. This is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group here in the Sunshine State of Florida, back again with another Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance market update. Today is Friday, February the 13th, 2026. It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. And this is our free Friday Quick Bite episode where we answer real questions that came up from clients and prospects during the week. And this week's question was not dramatic, it was not emotional, it was not asked in a panic. It was actually very calm, very normal. Someone asked me, is life insurance something I need to do now or can it wait? No health scare, no pregnancy announcement, no big life event, just someone trying to make a responsible decision without feeling rushed. And that is exactly why this question deserves a real answer. So today we are going to talk about timing, not fear. We're going to talk about reality, not sales pressure. And we're going to talk about how life insurance actually works in real life, not how it gets marketed. Let's get into it. As an agency owner, I tell you, this is one of the most common questions people ask about life insurance or when we're like pitching life insurance to them. Most people do not say they do not want life insurance. What they usually say is that they plan to do it later. Later after they get married, later after the kids are older, later after the bills calm down, later after they feel more settled. And on the surface, that makes sense. Life insurance does not feel urgent when everything is going fine. The problem is that life insurance does not price itself based on how much you love your family or how responsible you are. It prices itself based on age, health, and timing. Those three things change quietly, even when life feels stable. Let's talk about what really happens when someone waits to get life insurance. The first thing that changes is age. Every birthday matters in life insurance. Even 1 year can increase your premium. That part is predictable. The second thing that changes is health. And this is the sneaky one. Most people assume health only changes when something major happens. In reality, underwriting looks at very common things. Blood pressure, that was normal 5 years ago, may now be borderline. Cholesterol numbers creep up slowly, weight fluctuates, sleep apnea gets diagnosed, medications get added. None of these things feel like emergencies, but all of them can change your eligibility or your pricing. I've seen people wait 2 years and go from preferred rates to standard rates without feeling any different physically. The third thing that changes is responsibility. People often wait because they think they do not have enough responsibility yet, right? Then suddenly they do. A mortgage, a child, a business, or a parent who depends on them financially shows up faster than expected. At that point, the coverage feels urgent, but the pricing is no longer as friendly. One of the biggest misconceptions is that life insurance is only for breadwinners. Life insurance is actually about financial replacement, not just income replacement. If you have a stay at home parent in the household, that person provides childcare, household management, transportation, and structure. Replacing that would cost real money. If you are single but have co-signed debt, student loans with a co-buyer, or parents who would handle your final expenses, life insurance still plays a role. If you own a business, even a small one, life insurance can protect partners, contracts, and continuation of the business. Life insurance is less about your job title and more about what you who, about who would feel the financial impact if you were not here. Another reason people delay life insurance is emotional, even if they don't realize it. Thinking about life insurance means acknowledging that life is unpredictable. Most people are not avoiding the policy, they are avoiding the thought. I hear things like, I do not like thinking about that, or nothing is wrong right now, or I do not want to jinx anything. That is human, completely human. But planning is not pessimism. Planning is actually optimism with structure. It is saying, I expect to live a long life, and while I do, I want the people I love protected no matter what. Let's talk about cost because that is usually the unspoken concern. Many people assume life insurance is expensive, so they put it off until they feel more financially comfortable. In reality, the most affordable life insurance is often available when people feel like they are least ready to buy it. I've seen healthy adults in their 30s lock in coverage for less than what they spend on streaming services each month. Waiting does not usually save money, it often does the opposite. Another reason people wait is confusion. They feel like they need to understand every type of life insurance before making a decision: term, whole, universal, riders, conversions. That can feel overwhelming. The truth is, you do not need to solve your entire life insurance strategy in one day. Many people start with term insurance because it covers the years when financial risk is highest: mortgages, children, income replacement. Permanent options can be layered later if they make sense. Doing something now does not lock you into one decision forever. It simply locks in insurability while it's on your side. So, can I wait? Here's the honest answer. Life insurance can wait if waiting does not cost you options. The challenge is that you usually do not know when waiting will cross that line. You never get a notice that says, this is the last year you would have qualified at this rate. This is why many people regret waiting, not because something terrible happened, but because when they finally decided to act, the options were different. A better question to ask yourselves is, instead of asking, can this wait? I encourage people to ask something else. They should ask, what would change if I waited 5 more years? If the answer is nothing, then waiting may be reasonable. If the answer includes higher costs, fewer options, or more responsibility, then now might actually be the easier moment. Life insurance is not about predicting the future. It is about removing uncertainty from it. Doing it now does not mean you are behind. Waiting does not mean you are irresponsible. It simply means timing matters, even when nothing feels urgent. And sometimes the most loving decisions are the quiet ones no one ever has to think about again. If today's free Friday quick bite helped you think differently about life insurance timing, now's a great time to ask questions and review your options. If you would like a simple quote or coverage review, you can visit our website at isominsurancegroup.com, or it is right below me on the screen. Legislation moves slowly until it doesn't, and life moves even faster. Preparation almost always beats reaction. If you found this episode helpful, please like the video, share it with someone like a friend, family, relative, and drop a comment below with any questions you'd like for me to answer in a future episode. And please, please, please subscribe so that you get all the notifications of when a new video drops. Quick Bite episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. As always, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult a licensed insurance professional regarding your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. And by the way, please enjoy your Valentine's holiday tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isomInsuranceGroup.com.